Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this heart-shaped pocket and a heart-shaped tag. Be sure to check out my description box so that you can grab the downloadable printable booklet with all the instructions on how to create the 100 pockets. And stay tuned for more information on this background sheet and on this beautiful image. Today you're going to need obviously a journal page or a backing paper, and I'll talk to you about what this is shortly. You're going to want a shaped pocket. This has not been shaped yet, but get two pieces of paper that are the same size, and you're going to create two of the exact same shape. Glue or double stick tape, scissors, ink, embellishments, etc. You know, the usual. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is trace or cut out two identical shapes. So I went ahead, I just folded a piece of paper in half so that I'd have double, and I took my glue bottle and I put it down on the paper. And then that's how I got my heart shape, is I used those as like, you know, just a template. And there we go, I got two of these. Now one of these is going to become the journal pocket. And I think I'm going to go ahead and make it this one. It fits perfectly in the corner, so I'm going to go ahead and make it this one. I'm just going to glue here and here. Let's start with that. Now let me flip that back over again and make sure I glue the right edges. All right, I think I've got it this time. I wanted to let you know that I am doing a paper doll collaboration this month, the month of October, and I'm doing it with my friend Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. She has a paper doll collab going all the time, but I went ahead and created a printable kit, and I asked her if she would like to do a little collab with me, and she said yes. So I am using some paper dolls this month during our for the 100 Days of Pockets. I thought that would be fun to be able to incorporate some of these paper dolls. They are through the generations, so you're going to have some old-fashioned ones as well as 20s, you'll see 1940s, you'll see 60s and 70s and 80s, and I think I stopped at 80s. I might have done some 90s, mixed some 80s and 90s. So at any rate, here we are. I wanted to let you know about that. And if you would like to join in, I'd love it. You can grab the printable kit in my Etsy shop, or you can grab the freebies in my Facebook group. They are available to you there. Now I am going to glue this pretty paper doll down onto this heart that I have going on here. I think that's a nice embellishment for it. I think I forgot to mention that this particular piece, this is part of the printable kit. I also did some backgrounds for the paper dolls, so that is all part of the kit. It's 19 pages. I'm going to go ahead and slide her in here. I think that looks so pretty. Now let's go ahead and embellish this pocket. I'm going to go ahead and glue this embellishment to the pocket. I think that'll look super cute there. And now it is time to slide our cute little paper doll tag right into the pocket. And she is walking around on her estate, and she is happy. And there we go, my friends. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed this today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.